For this experiment, we were instructed to do 3 measurements of table salt. This first one is a 1/4 teaspoon table salt. The second one is 1 1/4 teaspoon, and then this one is 3 teaspoons of table salt. So this first one, the 1/4 teaspoon, is what an adequate intake of sodium is. It's equal to 500 milligrams. This one is 1 1/4 teaspoon. It's equal to an upper limit of sodium, which is about 2,400 milligrams. And then this one is 3 teaspoons of table salt, which is equivalent to 6,000 milligrams. And this is actually what the typical intake for sodium is per day for a person. So based upon this, we were then given a list of things to find out how much sodium was in each one. So I went ahead and did that prior, and then we were instructed to look at what a typical lunch would consist of based on those. So the amount of sodium in that lunch, which consisted of a sandwich with 1 slice of bologna, 1 cup of tomato soup, and then 20 to 25 potato chips. So whenever you do your calculations based on that, I got 958 milligrams of sodium within that one lunch. And then for those 3, I went through and compared them. So for an adequate amount of sodium, which is 500 milligrams, this amount of sodium in this lunch was significantly higher than that of an adequate amount. But then whenever you compared it to an upper limit amount and then a typical amount, it was way less, which is surprising just to know that people usually consume this much sodium a day, and then that's how much is in like a typical lunch. So that's kind of startling to see that that's how much sodium that we're consuming per day.